I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, are you joking? Who are you? Have you forgotten who you are? Look at yourself. And I'm like, no! It's like someone is ringing, like strumming a guitar violently inside me. I felt like, मैं इतना dumb है क्या? इतना dumb है क्या? I found love, boss. I am in love. ये और कोई नहीं, ये मैं ही है. ये करेक्ट है, ये सही है. किसको समझ में आता है is not my criteria. Right now, I'm talking about rise and fall. Right? Like they asked me to say that I'm not deserving. Come on, you know, we don't know how to take compliments, and we've been saying this through many of our interviews, right? Like, wow, you're looking. No, I just threw this on. Single, lady-led OTT show. Like Maharani was the first. That's pretty brilliant. Most people think that the biggest yes I said to was Sacred Games. But when are you going to sit and take my stall? How many Rani Mukherjees go on to becoming Rani Mukherjees after a film like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where so many actresses have denied that part, right? You know, जो आपकी नसीब में है, जो आपकी किस्मत में है, वो आपको तभी मिलेगा जब आपका टाइम है. And I remember having this conversation with my therapist. She said 10,000 scrolls today. Target achieved. तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम ज्यादा बोल रहे, बट थोड़ा मेन भी बात करने लगेंगे ना, सुन रहे हो सर? हाँ, तो अच्छा लगेगा. How are you feeling? Tell यार how you're feeling.
Not giving you the respect that you deserve.
Yes.
Feeling not heard, not seen.
Yes. Very good. Yes, it has happened. डर लगता है ना कभी बोलने में कि तुम पॉजिटिव हो, तुम खुश हो, नजर लग जाती है. नहीं यार, तुम हो तो हो. वहाँ पे भी सॉल्ट वाटर बात लो और खुद का नजर का कवच पहनो यार. So last year when we met, I told you I had climbed Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
That was February last year. So this year I'm going to raft the Brahmaputra. It's so amazing. Thank you for being such a lovely, warm host and person.
Thank you, Kubra.
Thank you.
Amazing.
It's so beautiful, yellow colors.
Hi guys, welcome to Fever FM. मैं हूँ स्तुति and with me is my favorite human.
Hello, good morning, humans. What's up?
Energy.
Yeah.
We don't even need microphones. बिना इसके ही आपके रेडियो सेट और आपके YouTube से हम आप तक पहुँच जाएंगे.
यार मेरे को ना वो जोक्स YouTube पे डालने. थैंक्स फॉर दिस आइडिया.
ना,
करना है यार, करना है यार, बहुत कुछ करना है यार, बहुत कुछ करना है. ये टेक्नोलॉजी, एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, मैनेजमेंट.
Listen, but
These are all different aspects of being an artist.
Commitment, huh?
है ना?
Kubra, every day. And they are actually funny. Like, I think now I get your humor. So I think it's funny because you are saying it.
Thank you so much, because you know it took me some time to just look at it and be like, नहीं, ये और कोई नहीं, ये मैं ही है. ये करेक्ट है, ये सही है. किसको समझ में आता है is not my criteria. My criteria is मेरे को मैं समझ में आता है क्या? सही है. करो.
I think
कौन रोका है?
last time when we met was at the Bangalore Literature Festival. This
Did
was
we?
for your
That
book.
was it that long ago?
Yeah,
In my head, I met you for
No,
Khabo Ka Chal Mela also.
We've bumped into each other, but ये solo one-on-one, like full-on.
Solo one-on-one has not
Undivided
happened.
attention, nobody in between. It's only after Bangalore, and that was a more quiet, poised.
I love it.
So open book,
Yes.
and that is something that people will describe you just the way you are. How are you so okay being vulnerable, or does it scare you that ये दुनिया नहीं है to be an open book?
Yeah, you know, the thing is that we give a lot of our emotions to the rest of the world and ask them to manage it and handle it for us. And I think through the process of writing the book, I took responsibility of my emotions, feelings, past, and be like, cool, मैं ऐसा ही है. And you know, the minute you accept things for what they are and stop giving it the flavor that we enjoy giving it, ये good था, ये bad था, ये ऐसा हो गया, वैसा हो गया. Just let's start with basics. कि ये हुआ. And what do you want to do with it?
Yeah.
Because I think through the most adverse situations, there is this brilliance of light that comes through. And I've only been able to recognize that light through the process. So now I can't deny myself. अभी मैं देख चुका है कि there is light.
Yeah.
Now you can't be like, नहीं यार, जब मतलब generally speaking सब absence में जी रहे हैं, तो we should also, you know, no. In fact, you share the story with such lightness as well sometimes.
Yeah.
And that, you know, you're able to bring people across the bridge, because I feel it's important that we start owning our stories.
Yeah.
It's really important that we started doing it now.
Yeah.
You know, there will come a probable day. Maybe you're not ready for it now. Let's accept that as well. But there will be a day when we are going to be just fine, exactly who we are. And that's, I guess, the reason that Open Book happened. And there is a Kubra before Open Book and there is a Kubra after.
Yeah.
So,
And we like both versions.
yeah.
And Kubra has made peace with both versions.
Yeah.
But it is
Thank you.
honestly amazing
Thank
to,
you.
to partake of this energy. I think you brighten up every room that you enter. People are smiling around you. Everyone's cheering for Kubra.
Yeah, they
But-
did actually. So cute. Like, give it up for Kubra. And I'm like, yes! Come on, you know, we don't know how to take compliments. And I've been saying this through many of our interviews, right? Like, wow, you're looking. No, I just threw this on. I can't help you if you won't you won't allow yourself to receive the joy. There is one thing of like, oh wow, I'm this person who spreads joy, but how many people are willing to receive it? When you smile at me, I should be able to receive that, right?
yeah.
And I think that's the give and take of society, and that's the give and take of like the people that we live with and mingle and meet. And I think there is goodness in all of us. We're just putting too much pressure.
You know, yesterday I was chatting with Huma and she said something beautiful. And I want to ask you about that. She's had a great year.
Yeah.
Okay, great things coming up.
Maharani
and I
3
said,
also
yeah,
now, na?
yeah, Maharani
Amazing.
4.
4.
And
Wow.
yeah.
And she was one of the first ones, by the way, to have a single lady-led OTT show. Like Maharani was the first. That's pretty brilliant, man. That's pretty awesome.
And I asked her, I said, what is it that has changed? She said, I've just started to say more yeses than nos.
Agreed. I have no debate on this.
Yeah.
It's the perfect spirit to be in. The more yeses you say, the more discovery you have. Because you've allowed yourself to experience something for the first time. And it's really important to continue doing that.
But Kubra, somebody watching you who probably is not even friends with you, doesn't know you personally, you come across as a brave, sorted in the head person who knows what she wants, will go after it. But an artist's life, to a large extent, is defined by the yeses and nos that they say. And especially as an actor, the way you want to chart your course, how easy was it for you to say no or yes? Because you started with Sacred Games, everyone's talking about your character, everyone's talking about you. And how do you then ensure that the GPS guides you?
Yeah, no, the thing is that, see, it's so incredible, right? Most people think that the biggest yes I said to was Sacred Games. But when are you going to sit and take my stock and be like, the first yes I actually said to was the role of a maid in a film called Ready. And that year, when I moved to Mumbai, and you don't know you want to be an actor. I didn't know I want to be an actor. I was very good. Like, I would have been sorted in my life if I had hosted like a dance reality show as a host. This was my ultimate aim.
You also got a Best MC award. And
So I was doing
yeah.
like, okay, this is amazing. And then something else happens to you, right? And before any of this big thing has happened to you, I know, okay, you've come to Mumbai, you want to join the acting world, so to speak, and you're 27 years old. So the only roles you're going to get is friend, sister, sometime best friend sister. Not even. And then if I had waited for 3 more years in the
these
same
are things
space,
that were told to you.
It was there to see. Like, those were the films, right, that I grew up with, right? Like, how many Rani Mukherjees go on to becoming Rani Mukherjees after a film like Kuch Kuch Hota Hai, where so many actresses had denied that part, right? And then there is one young girl who makes that big brave move and does this and ends up, today you don't have to profess how brilliantly talented a Rani Mukherjee has been, right, on screen. So that's the thing. I feel it's not about the yes and the no as much as it is knowing who you said that yes and no for. If it was for you, then own that shit and move on. Right? And because if I'm saying, yeah, I did this and uska outcome वैसा नहीं हुआ जैसे मैं सोच रहा था, इतना फ्यूचर में रह के यू कैन नॉट मेक अ डिसीजन ऑफ अ येस एंड नो. येस एंड नो इज उस मोमेंट का डिसीजन. रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में जब भी जाओगे हाइंडसाइट में देख लेना एंड मेक पीस विद इट कि अच्छा किया, वेरी गुड. अच्छा नहीं हुआ, नो प्रॉब्लम, नेक्स्ट टाइम वेरी गुड कर लेंगे. अब
You make it
मरे
sound
थोड़ी ना
easy.
है.
Yeah.
हाँ मगर हम मरे थोड़ी ना है. हम तो जिंदा हैं यार, हमको तो अपॉर्चुनिटी मिल रही है ना. एंड ये कहानी तो हम रीराइट ही कर रहे हैं. It's literally writing in pencil, erasing it and rewriting it again. And we all have the option to do that. And I know I make it sound very simple, but it's a lot of work that goes into it. And a lot of trials and errors. And you can't be taken aback by the errors. You need to still use that also as energy to move forward.
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of no's in my life. Forget about me saying no to people. People have said no to me.
Yeah.
And I can't take that as your final word. What's my free will? मैं क्या करना चाहता है लाइफ में बताओ. तो वो मैं करके रहेगा ना. मेरा पर्पस तुम्हारा पर्पस से अलग है.
You know, we hear so much about, this one's got backing, you've support because you're from the industry, this one's from outside. Yours is a classic case, right? Like you said, you didn't know you want to be an actor, you were working your way up, it was your craft, your talent that was helping you. But there must be times, Kubra, when you thought that's not enough.
Of course, like I felt at one point maybe I should have come to Mumbai earlier than 27.
Yeah.
Oh damn, I lost 10 years. I can beat myself up for that. Or I can be like, no, I came here when the time was right. You know, जो आपकी नसीब में है, जो आपकी किस्मत में है, वो आपको तभी मिलेगा जब आपका टाइम है. तो when do you make peace with that? You can always be ahead of the curve.
Yeah.
Right? Like a film gets made and people celebrate it like 5 years down the line. Was it too early to make the film? No, it was the right time to make the film. People celebrated it at a different time.
Yeah.
That's another story. So the outcome is never really controlled by us. And I remember having this conversation with my therapist. She said, recognizing your privilege, right, is a very big blessing. And she said, you have a working brain. It's a privilege. Recognize it. It's as simple as that. Even recognizing that I have a working mind of mine and it's working is a privilege. Because all these other things, like it can't be easy, मैं outsider है, ये मेरा story है, ये मेरा label है, ये है वो, we can give it as many layers as we want. Sometimes strip it off the layers and see how basic and simple it is, and then you realize you have to keep moving.
Listen, since the time this interview started, this feels like a Kubra said pep talk, okay? Who gives you pep talk when you need it? Do you stand in front of the mirror?
Yes. How you know? No, I'm telling you, there was this time when I was going through like a financial crunch and everything, and nobody gets to see those fights
And you
in
don't
your
want
life,
to
right?
share. Yeah.
I don't think I have to share everything with everyone, right?
of
But
course.
there are certain things that I need to figure out for myself. I looked at myself in the mirror and I said, are you joking? Who are you? Have you forgotten who you are? Look at yourself. Look at this volcano of talent you are. And you are second guessing yourself. किस लिए पैसा बचाया था? Why is your money in your savings if you cannot use them? Why is it that you have someone who's doing a different job to advise you on how to mobilize your funds? Use your money that you have saved. You will use it in rainy day. Today is raining day. Acknowledge rainy day. Are you okay? Yes, you're okay. And I looked at myself and I was okay. And of course, there are like books. There are TV shows that inspire me.
Tell us.
Like I loved watching Victoria Beckham recently.
Yeah.
Like what a story of her being reborn as a number of times.
Yeah.
I love watching documentaries on sportsmen, sportswomen.
Yeah. It's the rigor.
I love that other show. Now I'm forgetting that lady who swam. Was it called NAD? NAD something. You know, she swims across the Pacific Channel or something like that. It's a very cool, and she's some 60 years old. And how many times she failed before she ended up doing it, the final stretch, was bitten and stung by jellyfish and everything. But she made it. So I love watching people put themselves through difficult situations and learn from them and not give up, because there is some dream to you that is only yours and yours to win, achieve, experience, whatever it is, it's yours. Then don't let conundrum, sound, pollution come in the way of that.
Yeah.
don't forget how strong you are in the scheme of things.
Amazing. So, okay, so things that you do for yourself.
And that's of course
irrespective-
Instagram, by the way. I
And
get motivated by Instagram all the time. All right, I am one of those people. I know about everything on Instagram.
So 10,000 steps scrolling on Instagram.
10,000 scrolls today.
Do you journal?
I do. I journal. I bring yellow book everywhere. It's my book of ideas. I write. Like randomly things are happening. Like I've written, your brain is power. Like your brain is working, it's a privilege. I've written that. Because you tend to listen to something and they're like, "I मैं भूल गया." No, लिख लो. मेरे को याद रहता है.
Yeah.
It's better. Make your notes. Sharing is one way of like keeping the clarity alive. You know, I think when we shared, I remember having this moment of being upset with my girlfriends because I was on birth control pills, okay, and I didn't know that you should take Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. My gynecologist asked me, "Do you have episodes of depression?" I said no. She said, "This is very good for you, have it." I went and gave it to my help. And my help gave me Monday, Wednesday, Sunday, Thursday, Friday. And can you imagine the roller coaster ride of hormones in my body?
Wow.
Wow! Can you imagine what went through me inside my body? And I had no one. And I'm talking to my friends and they're saying, "It's normal." And I'm like, no! It's like someone is ringing, like strumming a guitar violently inside me. And I'm not able to understand what is going on. Right? And they're like, "Nahi, you're not supposed to take Monday, Sunday, Tuesday." This is what happens. And I'm like, now I get what was wrong with me. You know, you don't even realize that sometimes you're doing something that's harmful to you. Recognize it, talk about it, share it. No information. And this is nonsense, na, that people are saying, "Oh, women, we overshare." I don't think there's anything. The problem is men don't share.
Yeah. Yeah.
तो ऐसा लगता है कि हम ज्यादा बोल रहे हैं. But थोड़ा men भी बात करने लगेंगे ना, सुन रहे हो सर? हाँ, तो अच्छा लगेगा. How are you feeling? Tell यार how you're feeling.
Yeah.
Fine. Fine क्या होता है? मैं fine बोलेगा तो oh there is something wrong. Tell me. तुम्हारा fine is fine. मेरा fine is not fine. You know?
You must have faced experiences where you've been like somebody's underestimating you, not giving you the respect that you deserve,
Yes.
feeling not heard, not seen.
Yes. Very good. Yes, it has happened. You are very right. All of this has happened. Yeah, you're right. It
And how
happens
do you,
all
how do
the
you
time.
deal with it? When it happened for the first time, were you shocked? Did it
No,
throw
I
you
was
off?
shattered, bro. Like I'm telling you, not the first time. It never happens only once.
Yeah.
It happens many times through various phases of your growth and the various stages of your life. And I think only things that you really care about or people that you care about have that ability to like completely throw you off your center, right, and off your balance. So ये normal है, first of all, कि you don't realize that you don't know only once. You know that you don't know many times. Speaking of the most recent, incident where I felt like मैं इतना dumb है क्या? इतना dumb है क्या मैं? Like लोग बोल के जा रहे कि तुम ऐसा क्या है?
And you were angry with yourself that you couldn't give them the comeback that, I mean.
Yeah, because I'm like, I know I'm not dumb, na. Why is this being put into my head? And this is like right now, I'm talking about rise and fall, right? Like they asked me to say that I'm not deserving. And I was like, no, I will not say that I am not. और बहुत energy लगती है to constantly stand by your own truth. हाँ, मुश्किल है, but किसके लिए मुश्किल नहीं है यार? अगर हम मुश्किल हटा देंगे तो मजा भी हटा देंगे. I'm not saying that sit around and just be okay with everything that is happening, but don't give up your desire to fight and live. Fight so that you can live another day. Do it.
Amazing.
Again and again. Because you're not doing this for anyone else. And when I went through an experience where I really felt that I'm very not talented. I am very stupid.
You went through a phase.
Yes. For a very long period of time. It was a project that kept like pushing itself and becoming longer than it should have. It was a long period of time. Every time going back on set made me feel very like stupid about myself, right? I used the help of my therapist. I needed to understand why was I feeling the way I was feeling. So I'm saying that there is always resources to help you come out of the funk you're in. Because this is a funk. Also, it's not the first time it's happened. So recognize कि अगर ये मेरे साथ फिर से हो रहा है तो इसका कुछ तो रीजन होगा. ये मुझे कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. ये जो एक्सपीरियंस है ये मुझे कुछ सिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा है. So I went down to my therapist. I had a conversation. Because you're right, our industry is a paradoxical industry.
Yeah.
It's filled with ironies, you know. So
Does that
how
make you
do
bitter or
navigate?
cynical?
No, bitter, cynical, where, who, me? No. I think I'm a very positive person. And डर लगता ना कभी बोलने में कि तुम पॉजिटिव हो, तुम खुश हो, नजर लग जाती है. नहीं यार, तुम हो तो हो. वहां पे भी सॉल्ट वाटर बात लो और खुद का नजर का कवच पहनो यार. हर चीज दूसरों पे डाल के घूम रहे हो कि भाई अगर तुम मुझे वैलिडेट करोगे तो आई विल फील वेरी गुड अबाउट माई सेल्फ. आई डोंट थिंक a compliment or a criticism should define who you are. It should be your own actions that define and the eagerness to want to grow. अभी grow करेगा तो change करेगा भाई. So don't be afraid of growth. It will automatically result in everything. I sound like very high level.
You should.
person,
Yeah.
you know? Yeah.
I think there's another book in the making that might.
Something's happening.
Is it easy to make friends in the industry?
I think I'm a very easy friend to be with.
Yeah.
Because I work towards less complications.
Yeah.
I work very disciplined, in a disciplined manner to have less complications in life. मैं नहीं आ सकता है, मैं नहीं आ सकता है. फिर उसमें I will try, feel bad, cannot. ये I try to keep it as simple as possible. And that allows me to be a good friend to people. Now, how many people are willing to be good friends with you is not my question to answer. Other people have responsibility of their own behaviors, right? I have realized that I have only 5 people who I will reach out to no matter what the outcome is. When it's extreme joy or it's extreme sadness and failure, I know I'll call those 5 people. Everyone around that is ancillary.
And those 5 have stayed?
And those 5 have stayed. And that's what matters.
They're
Those
from the industry?
No. And they are my punji.
Yeah. But with fame and with the pressures of this industry, is it easy to find love?
I found love, boss. I am in love.
Lovely.
I am happy to report.
Very
And
happy for you.
Thank you. You know, I'm Carrie Bradshaw, dude. I'm going to be the oldest bride in Mumbai. You see that? Yeah, I said it first. It happened here. And I'm okay with this, right? I was chasing the Gregorian calendar like anyone else. कि भाई 25 पे boyfriend होना चाहिए, 27 पे serious relationship इसको बोलेंगे, 28 में शादी करेंगे, 31 में बच्चे होंगे, 35 में दूसरा बच्चा होगा. नहीं हुआ ना. मैंने भी तो प्लान्स बनाए थे भाई. नहीं हुए प्लान्स. मगर दूसरे प्लान्स हो सकते हैं. तो वो दूसरे प्लान्स पे वर्कआउट करो ना. मेरे को अभी दुनिया देखनी है. मैंने इतनी दुनिया देखी है और देखनी है. और एडवेंचर्स करने हैं और एक्सपीरियंस करना है, हंसना है, खेलना है. मेरे को लिव इन करना है अभी. सोचो बहुत प्रायोरिटीज हैं यार मेरी भी अलग अलग. राइट? Because I've done things that most people may not have experienced. So how can I compare my life to everyone else's? मेरा life का yardstick मैं खुद होना चाहिए, right?
Yeah.
And if I lose the ability of being honest to myself, I can assure you, no one can help me. I need to be honest and say, I am being lazy, I am slipping, I am tripping, I am in a funk. You know, there was this Raghav Juyal interview as well. And the beauty is that we both train with the same teacher, Saurabh Sachdeva. And one of our exercises is, how do you feel? So you put your feet firmly on the ground and you feel the ground and you ask, how do you feel? How do I feel? How do I feel? How do I feel? Oh, I feel this chair is soft. How do I feel? Oh, this moves back and forth. How do I feel? And you'll slowly start identifying with physical to emotional. And it's important to ask yourself, how do I feel? If you don't understand yourself, Do you understand the pressure you're putting on the world to understand you?
Or help you understand yourself. Yeah.
And you're like, the world is unfair to me. No, dude, you are unfair to yourself. Can we start being fair and kind and compassionate first to ourselves? Automatically सब line में आ जाएंगे. इतना मुश्किल है.
Have you been told कि come bolo, be a little more palatable to
You know
people?
what's funny is that my girlfriends have asked me to do this. Like, do you know why you don't end up like making it to the second date? It's because you're like,
You've heard it?
And of course, girls have told me this. Like, there is like a format. कि तुम girl है. Now, the thing is that I was not raised to be in that format. Yeah, you can't.
And it doesn't come naturally.
It doesn't come
You're
naturally
still a girl.
to me. I'm still a girl, but I know. Like today, I'm working on my femininity, right? This is why I wake up today and I go like, आज मैं makeup पहनेगा, आज मैं ये करेगा. These earrings look good, you know. But this is something that I'm doing now. It's a part of my evolution, right? So I came into this space like मैं लौंडा हूँ मैं. Imagine I had the access to see the world which is patriarchal through a masculine ability to recognize it. Because I saw my mom, she lifted sacks, she opened the shutter of her door, like the shutter of her supermarket. You know, I've seen my mom do all of this. I've seen her take the broom and sweep in front of the store. I've seen her cook at home. I've seen her clean our home. So for me, doing was associated to being a woman.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Only today I realize, being is associated to being a woman.
Correct.
So imagine, does that make me any less?
Yeah.
Does that make me any less? Because I don't see it from the point of view of others because my conditioning was different.
Like you've made a very important distinction.
This
is the Superwomania rapid fire.
Like it.
One stereotype about women you want to erase forever.
That we are only pretty.
Thank you. One thing about women, one thing that women should stop apologizing for.
That they're smart.
The best thing about being a woman at work is
that you can be a boss woman. Yes. And you can call your shots, and it's okay to want to learn new things that you don't know. Like I'm learning every day. And you should have the ability to learn every day.
What's something women should do for themselves more often?
Be. Because I'm discovering the art of being. So just to sit down, relax.
Take a moment.
Enjoy. Yeah. I like getting my nails done. I like getting my hair done. I got a facial done yesterday in the evening.
So cute.
Yeah, I like all these
things. What makes you feel unstoppable, Kubra?
My inner fire and quest for joy. I have it in me.
What's something that society still doesn't understand about ambitious women?
That we are, if we are ambitious, we are bold. We are ambitious, we are brave. No, ambition is ambition. Bold and brave are different. We are not equate every emotion as one emotion. We are not men.
What's the kindest thing you've done for yourself?
I do kind things for me every day. I show up to yoga every day. I found this lovely dress and I styled it well for me today. I do little things every day. It's not like but the one greatest thing that I do for myself every year is take myself on an adventure.
A solo trip?
So I've been doing solo trips around the world, blah blah blah. I would do a new country, etc. every year. That was just a part of my holidays list, right? But there's this one trip that I do, which is an adventure trip. So last year when we met, I told you I had climbed Kilimanjaro.
Yeah.
That was February last year. So this year, I'm going to raft the Brahmaputra.
Wow. You decide this on your own.
Yeah, I figure, and I want to do one adventure trip where there is no makeup, there is no phone, there is no nothing. You have to
How cool. When are you doing that? Before the year ends?
Yeah, December 1st to 12th. So I'm rafting the Brahmaputra. The Brahmaputra is the only male river in our country. And it's huge. And it's very huge. And it's only this much in India. There's more on the other side.
Yeah.
So, I'm going to raft the Brahmaputra this year.
Amazing. Okay. What's the proudest no that you've ever said?
I think every no that I say is a proud no.
No regrets.
No, don't have regrets. Like, be confident in your nose. Like, make a decision. It helps. Like, my therapist taught me something amazing. I'd like to share this. Fighter pilots have a course or a training that they go through, and one of the acronyms that is taught to them is OODA. So OODA stands for OODA, which stands for Orient, Observe, Decide, Action. First, orient yourself to the situation, observe, decide, and action. And it's really important that.
So not as impulsive as a lot of people would.
Yeah, I think impulsiveness is something that we can live with, but when it's a decision, like, I love the feeling of impulse. Like, I love the fact that one day Stuti and I just spoke to each other on the phone, and I showed up at Stuti's house in the evening, or we just got up for a coffee, which is great.
Yeah.
Which is chance, which is happenstance, which is life, which is possibility, which is great. But you can't run your entire life like that. You can't be like, ho gaya to ho gaya, ho gaya to ho gaya. Kar liya to kar liya, nahi hua to kar liya. Because then you're not deciding the outcome, right?
Correct.
You need to decide, and then you'll be okay. Like, only when you do all of this will you be comfortable with the outcome that you have decided for yourself, or it didn't happen, right?
A sister code you swear by.
Be vulnerable. And I feel like I have some of these amazing girlfriends in my life who, when I call, like Gauri is a friend of mine, when I call her to cry or whine about something, she knows the person that I am. She will not let me continue on my whining trip. She will say, I have action for you, stop whining. And I think we need friends like that.
We need
who
girlfriends.
will tell us the truth for what it is. They will give us action. They will tell us what to do to stop this nonsense. Because nothing of anything in excess is good for you, right? Like, I have been in the doing part for a very long time, so being becomes important to me.
Yeah.
But now I can't just go into being, because being is so amazing.
Yeah.
I need to do something about feeling this way, or, like, not able to overcome something, and then just do something to find a different result. So I have friends like that who I will swear by, who call me and say, stop your crying.
I'm going to end this with a question that I ask a lot of my guests,
Yeah.
which is generally a lot of women I've spoken to have said that the imposter syndrome is real, and something as normal as negotiating your price, your money.
Have a manager.
Have a manager do that? I was just going to ask you.
Have a manager. Because you can't do everything, Stuti, on your own. We put so much pressure on ourselves. Who are we? We have certain strengths, we have certain weaknesses. Weakness outsource karo, bhai.
That's a point of view, yeah.
सब अपने को ही करना है, और then you're setting up yourself for like failure and saying मैं failure हो रहा है. Work on your strengths. Your strengths will work for you. Outsource your weaknesses. क्या line है यार ये, outsource your weakness.
यही आएगा thumbnail पे.
Yeah, like the other day I went to my CA. I understood the way he was explaining things to me. अगर वो मैं समझने की कोशिश करती, मैं पागल हो जाती. तो जिसका
जो काम
है उनके साथ तुम वर्क करो ना. हर चीज खुद को करना, ये कौन समझाया आपको? गलत टीचिंग है भाई, जो भी सिखाया. जो तुमको आता है वो तुम अच्छे से करो, जो तुमको नहीं आता है वो किसी और से करवाओ. इसीलिए तो हम कोलैबोरेटिव दुनिया में रह रहे हैं.
I love it.
Thank you. I also love it.
This interview has been just so philosophical and just mind-numbing pep talk. But it's always amazing to speak to you, to see you on my feed, on my gram with your good morning, humor.
Good morning! How are you, humors? Now I started good afternoon and good evening also. My God. Good day also started. Oh my God. I'm going off the rails.
But it was a good day.
Rok lo.
But thank you for being part of the Superwomania show.
So much.
Thank you
for your amazing questions. I know every time I come here, there will be like a whole different sort of conversation. It's always been like that. Like, I could never come prepared for an interview in your office because it's so amazing. Thank you for being such a lovely, warm host in person.
Thank you, Kubra. It's
Thank you.
amazing.
It's so
Thank
beautiful,
you.
yellow colors.
Thank you.
So nice. Little
got
Miss
dressed for you.
Sunshine. I love that. You get dressed for yourself.
No, but today I dressed for you. Of course, every day I dress for myself. but
Yay! So you
Today I
want
need to
yellow
be
for
sunshine.
I love it.
Good morning,
I
Kilisa.
came dressed as teacher lady. I came dressed as black and white, like single line t-shirt. You remember single line t-shirt? No,
Yeah.
single line book.
Book.
है ना,
नहीं वो जो notebook. Yeah.
Single line notebook. Yeah, blue and red. But yeah, it's black anyway.
Thank you.
Thank you, Stoots. Appreciate it.